Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to solve one more interesting question in Python. So this is one of the most frequent questions again asked in an interview question. So on this my channel, right, I'm just trying to cover which are the major questions basically asked during the interview, right. So for that, like, I've just created a series of uh, videos. Okay, you can go through it, you can watch, and you can just try to understand how the basically the questions are asked, right. So interviewer basically follow this pattern. Okay, you can go through each one of my videos that I'm just capturing on a daily basis, right, based on the input that I've been receiving, or based on the website that I'm trying to follow, right. So this is one of the major questions, right, which are basically asked you in the interview again. Okay, so what is the questions over here? Let's get to the understand what's the ask here. So you have been provided one input string. Okay, let's say ABC. Second input string is 1 2 3 4 5. So how the output should like? The first character from A should come, then the first character of S2, then second character of, right, S1, then second character of S2. Similarly, third character, and then if since the character of S string 1 is finished, right, we need to add the leftover the character from the S2 string, right. So this is how they want. Okay, let's say for some reason, uh, if the output is like, let's say it becomes like, let's say for here, let's say DE for example, right, and we don't have 4 5 here, right. So how it should be output look like? The output should look like A A1 B2 C3, right, and then DE. This is how your input should look like, output, right. But let's try to just figure out. Okay, we will do that part. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just trying to find the length of s s1. Similarly, n2 equals to length of s2. Okay, so how we want to iterate it, right? We have to use while loop over here, right? Why? Because we have to check a condition, right? Why? What does while loop does, right? While loop will iterate until it receives a false condition, right. So that's why we are trying to use here while I is less than n1. Okay, and j is less than n2. We will do one more thing. I and j equals to, we are initializing this particular variables. Okay, okay, one more thing we will do. We will just try to find a new string which is empty. Okay, because like we need to add some string, right, and we need to see whether the output is matching, right. So what I will say, str1 equals to, what I will do, s1 of I plus s2 of j. Getting my point? And then we will add one. Similarly, okay, now just print str1. Let's see what is the output that you are getting. So if you see here, right, we got till C, right? Because like from fifth, 4 and 5th, why we not get it? Because here, right, what was the final output of I? It will say 3, right? If you just print here, let's print this one, then you will get to know. And 1, right? It says 3, right? So it means here I will become 3, right? In at the last, right? And now 3 is great less than equals to, less than 3, condition false, right? So this will not go out, right. But what was our expectation? That 3 4 5 should come here, right, as well. 4 5, sorry about that. So what we will do, right, we will say str1 equals to s1 of I is to j. Let's print that one, then you will get to know what I'm trying to do. str1 equals to s2 of j, then print str1 again. Let's see what changes that we are getting. Sorry, here we will say str1. Now let's print c. S is not defined. Sorry, why? What that means? Let's see. Yeah, see here. So what was our output here? We have got this output right here. Getting my point? So I has become 3 here, right? So here I equals to 3. Okay. Now what we are doing is, so str is 1 is what? This value, right? Now what I'm doing, s1 of 3. So what we are saying is s1 of 3 is 2. It means it has to, this is a string slicing. If you are aware of Python, you will get to know that, okay, what it is saying that, like, okay, from the string, right, from the third position take till the end of the string. So since 3 is the length, right, so we don't have any string, right? So that's why you are seeing we don't have any changes in the second output here. But here what has become, what is j here also, right? J is also 3, right? We're like, since we are doing the sum operation, right, in the same loop, right? So we start like whatever the value of I, it should be the same of value of j. So what I'm saying here is s2 of 3 is 2, so it means 4 5 it will write, and we are appending it here. So that's why you are getting value 4 and 5. I hope I was able to clarify your questions, and if you have any doubt, add comments. I will go through the comments, and then I will just try to figure out, okay, what are the doubt you have, and I will try to sort it out. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.